Hey guys, Annie Stacy here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying the Indian Healing Clay, which is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So I've used clays before, but never bentonite clay. So I have a video on my channel where I use the kaolin clay. So you can check that out. They are completely different. But yeah, I'm gonna talk more on that later. But right now, I just measured out a couple of spoons of the clay. I just eyeballed it, and then I added some apple cider vinegar, and then I went ahead and added some aloe vera juice. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix everything together. And also make sure when you're working with clays, you want to use a plastic spoon or a wooden spoon and bowl as well, nothing metal, because it has a if you use the metal, it's gonna reduce the effect of the clay or something like that. Yeah, so make sure you're not using anything metal when you mix your clays, not the spoon or the bowl. So I'm just gonna give that a thorough mix until I get the consistency that I'm going for. And yeah, so you can have it very thick or runny, it's up to you. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some essential oils. First, I'm gonna add some tea tree oil. You know, tea tree is very good to stimulate hair growth and also fight dandruff. Eucalyptus essential oil as well is very beneficial for our hair. So yeah, it helps to stimulate hair growth as well as fights dandruff, improves elasticity of the hair. So I just want all of that in my hair, just mix together, and it's ready to be applied on the hair. Bentonite clay has been a helpful ingredient throughout history, given that it can get rid of toxins with a negative charge. It helps to eliminate toxins, dead skin cells, removes buildup, and dries out impurities. That's why they use it a lot in face masks, even on the hair. It deeply cleanses the scalp, removes dead skin cells and toxins, while strengthening the hair and preventing hair loss by clarifying the hair follicles, thus allowing it to absorb water and other nutrients which can contribute to growing healthy hair. So yeah, you know, when your scalp is healthy, you're gonna have healthy hair. So it really helps in clarifying the scalp, just getting rid of all the dandruff and all other scalp infections. So yeah, it also can offer deep moisture to your hair and scalp. It can be used in place of your shampoo or conditioner. So yeah, my hair is not shampooed yet, so I'm just gonna use that in place of my shampoo, and it really cleanses your scalp, like really cleanses your scalp. So while applying this, I realized that it's really hard to detangle your hair while the bentonite clay is on it, because it's really heavy and it doesn't have that slip. So you want to make sure your hair is detangled before you proceed to apply this on your hair, because you're gonna have a rough time, a really tough time trying to detangle your hair with this on it, and it's not advisable because you might break your hair. Unlike the kaolin clay that was easy to detangle your hair, the bentonite clay, it's not that easy to detangle your hair with it. So just make sure your hair is somewhat detangled before you proceed to applying this. Yep, and also make sure that your hair is wet, not like dripping wet, but moistened before you apply the clay to it. That just makes everything easier. So yeah, make sure you also apply it to your scalp, because of course we're trying to detox our hair and our scalp, especially the scalp. You want to get rid of all the excess product buildup. You just apply this like you would your shampoo, because you have to wash your scalp. So you apply that to your scalp and then to the length of your hair. And yeah, so bentonite clay really helps to define the curls. As you can see, it really brings out your natural curl pattern, really moisturizes your hair. This clay has antimicrobial properties, which helps with irritated and flaky scalp, which is a great way to maintain a healthy scalp. So if you want to maintain a healthy scalp, you want to make sure you use this clay. So I would advise you use this clay once per week, or whenever you feel like your hair needs that extra detox, when your hair just feels dull and weak and stuff like that, you want to use this clay on your hair. So yeah, the apple cider vinegar works powerfully, as it also helps to detox your scalp. So this is really a powerful detox combined with apple cider vinegar and the clay. They really work together to cleanse your scalp and make sure that you have a healthy scalp. Leave this mask on your hair for about 5 to 15 minutes. You don't have to wait for it to get dry before you wash it off. You just want to leave it on your hair for about 15 minutes or even 10 minutes, making sure that it really works its magic before you rinse it out. And it's gonna take a lot of time to rinse this out, so you have to be ready to rinse this out of your hair. Yep. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply to all the other sections of my hair, and let's just look again at the benefits. So bentonite clay helps with dry scalp, damaged hair, so dry and damaged hair, frizziness, dull hair. So it moisturizes, softens, shines, defines your curls, and helps you enjoy a frizz-free hair. So yeah, those are the important or the benefits of using bentonite clay on your hair. I really do love this clay, and in comparison to the kaolin clay, I always compare the two. If you do have time, please check the video on the kaolin clay and let me know what you think about the curls popping, because I feel like with the kaolin clay my curls popped more than the bentonite clay, but the bentonite clay gave me more detox properties or more detox feel than the kaolin clay. So I felt like my hair was really clean with the bentonite clay than the kaolin clay. So that's just the difference that I found between the two clays. The kaolin clay has more like slip. I don't know if because of the mixture, but yeah. So which will you go for, bentonite clay or kaolin clay? It depends on what you're looking for though, given the differences that I just shared with you. So yeah guys, this is how my hair looks after applying it. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And of course, we had to go ahead and apply some of this clay to our face. So I'm gonna apply this to my face because you know what, this is a detox mask and we want to detox our face as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. That being said, thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you for watching this video and making it this far. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, please subscribe again if you haven't, and make sure you turn on post notification, please guys. Anyway, this is how my hair looks after washing it. Bye.